Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning my channel. I'm going to board the Paramount boat behind me, and I'm going for deep sea fishing. We are targeting sea bass. Weather is good, so hopefully we can catch a lot of fish.
What do you guys do? Philly? Yeah. How did I know
Is that you? I guess.
Right here?
Okay. Sure, not bad.
Guys, make sure we put fish up here.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my kitchen. What a wonderful fishing day. I caught over 50 of the sea bass and be able to bring home 10 of these big sea bass. In my previous videos, I have shared with you a few of steamed fish recipe. But today, I'm going to share with you a different recipe. It's called boiled fish. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, remove the scale. Then make a cut along the dorsal fin on both sides and eventually remove the center backbone. Cut the fish into half with the belly attached and remove the guts. Prepare some scallion, red pepper, and the ginger thread. Soak the thread in water. Marinate the fish with the ginger scallion water and the salt. Dry the fish with paper towel. In the boiling water, add the ginger scallion, salt, and the vegetable oil. Add the fish to the water and cook for about 5 minutes under medium heat. If the meat can easily poke through, that means it's done. Place the thread on top of the fish. Pour hot oil to the thread. Pour soy sauce along the edge of hot wok. Add the same amount of water and wait for it fully cooked. Pour the sauce along the edge of the plate. This is the boiled fish I'm talking about. Water effectively removes the fishy taste and make the fish more palatable. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.